Show that the function f of x equals x plus e to the x is 1 to 1. What is f inverse of 1? And then find the derivative of the inverse at x equals 1. The function is 1 to 1 if the graph is either increasing all the way or decreasing all the way. We say that this is monotone. The graph is increasing all the way only when the derivative is positive, and the graph is decreasing all the way only when the derivative is negative. And so we first need to find the derivative of f of x, which is 1 plus e to the x. E to the x is always positive. Add 1 to it, and so this shows that the derivative is always positive. If the derivative is always positive for all x, then the graph of the original function f of x is increasing all the way. And if the graph is increasing all the way, then it passes the horizontal line test. And any function that passes the horizontal line test is 1 to 1. If it is 1 to 1, that it has an inverse, we won't be able to find the formula for the inverse, but we notice that what is the value of x, so that when we plugged in to the function, we would end up with 1. So that's what the inverse of 1 means. In order to find out what f inverse of 1 is, let's just say we don't know what it is, a. Then the inverse say that we can rewrite it as f of a equals 1. And so we're looking for an a so that when we plug it into the function f, we would get 1. We can just check by trial and error. The only a that works in this case is 0, because 0 plus e to the 0 is 1. There won't be any others a because the function is 1 to 1. And so f of 0 is 1, then meaning f inverse of 1 is 0. And so what is f inverse of 1? It is 0. The derivative of the inverse as 1 is written as d dx of f inverse of x evaluated at x equals 1. And using the inverse formula, this is 1 over f prime of f inverse of 1. This is the composite of function, so we would need to evaluate the inner function first. F inverse of 1, we found that it is 0. And so we just need to find out what f prime of 0 is. F prime of 0 is 1 plus e to the 0, which is 1 plus 1. And so f prime of 0 is 2. The answer we're looking for is 1 over 2. This is the derivative of the inverse at x equals 1.